Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 68 Campbell Street in Rivervale. This immaculate family home is ideally located, not just near a park, but on a park. Yes, it's on one of the cul-de-sac parks of Rivervale. Only 100 metres to Rivervale Primary School, 5-minute walk to public transport that'll take you to the city and the airport. Plus, we're only 7 k's to the CBD. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your tour of 68 Campbell Street in Rivervale. As you can see, this pristine family home has just enough room for the kids and the pets, plus its unique location is an absolute bonus on the park. For more details about the property, please call my mobile, and as you know, the next viewing time is on the Works website.